In this video, we will go over dissociation and net ionic equations. Hopefully by the end, you can complete your Module 2 pre-lab for pH and conductivity. We start out with an ionic bond between a metal and a non-metal. When put in an aqueous solution, the two will dissociate. So we will have one Na and one Cl. When these dissociate, each one hold their charge. So this is +1 and this is -1. We can see this again with MgCl2. So we're going to start with 1 Mg, and I'm going to put 2 Cl's because of this number 2 right here. This tells me that there's 2 chlorines, so I'm going to put 2 over here. And now we have to add the charges. This one has a charge of +2, and Cl has a charge of -1. We know this from the periodic table, and we can double check our numbers because 2 plus 2 times -1 is 0, and all the charges cancel to be neutral. Now we have to be careful and make sure that we're using ionic bonds. These are all nonmetals, so this is a covalent bond, meaning this will not dissociate. It's C12H22O11 in the aqueous solution. We can now use this knowledge about dissociation to complete net ionic equations. I'm going to begin by dissociating. Now, since we have 2 NaOHs, I'm going to start by taking 2 sodiums, each with a charge of +1 in an aqueous solution. And then I'm going to add the 2 OHs, each with a -1 charge in aqueous solution. Then I'm going to move on to the next one. There's only 1, so I'm just going to count 2 hydrogens. And SO4 is held together by a covalent bond because they're both nonmetals, so those are going to stay together. And SO4 is going to dissociate. This will have a charge of -2, and this will be aqueous. Then we'll move on to this side. We're going to have 2 Na. Same thing, SO4, so just 1 SO4. -2. And then we're going to have H2O, and these are all nonmetals. So these are going to stay together, and we're just going to keep with 2 H2Os. And it's still liquid. Now comes step 3, where we're going to cancel out all the irrelevant information of this equation. So we start out by looking. We have 2 Nas on this side, 2 Nas on this side. So to simplify it, we're just going to get rid of it. Over here, we have 2 OH, but none on this side, so we're going to leave it. 2H, none over here, we're going to leave it. We have 1 SO4 and 1 SO4 over here, so we're going to get rid of it. Now we're just going to rewrite it with what we have left. 2OH, charge of -1, still aqueous, plus 2H +1, aqueous, yields 2H2O, liquid. I hope this short little video helped you with your pre-lab, and thank you for watching.